back to my channel. So today I filmed a little Christmas get ready with me. Let's be honest, I'm not actually going anywhere, but oh well. If you want to see how I got this look, then please just keep on watching because that's what today's video is. But before I let you watch it, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you are new here. Remember to turn on my little post notification bell as well, and follow me on my social medias because they're in the description box. If you want to see how to get this makeup look, please just keep on watching. Right, I'm gonna go in with my Eyeliner. I've never used this before, guys. Oh, I just broke it. Love that for, oh, I just broke it again. Okay. I'm going in with this Eyeliner Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. Really weird, it's like a jelly thing. Really weird. I don't know how this is gonna apply on my skin, but I'm gonna try and make it work. Guys, look at this. It like doesn't move, like look. It's like putty, it's so weird. Well, I'm gonna go in with this damp beauty blender. I'm gonna blend that out. I forgot my concealer upstairs. Struggle. Guys, have you done your Christmas shopping yet? Tea. Okay, so yesterday was December 1st. I went to Westfield and I couldn't even get in. There was so much traffic. And it's December 1st. Like the 1st. I still have 24 bloody days. Well, 23 now. Update on the primer. It's actually kind of good. Like, it's really making it cling to my skin. So she's found quite a few concealers. I'm gonna go in with my Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard under my eyes. Hello. I feel like people talk more in Get Ready With Me's, but today I'm just not talking. I don't know why. I always talk for like, what's that expression? I talk for England. I could talk for England. I'm gonna go over the top of that with some Pro Longwear concealer. I'm just gonna dot it on like this over the top. This is in the shade NC25. And then I'm also gonna apply some of this Makeup Revolution F14 foundation stick into the contours to contour.
And the contours to contour, wow.
Beauty guru of the year over here. I'm gonna blend out the contour first.
Oh no.
Oh no, she mixed them together. Just keep blending. I sort of like to do this weird like rolly motion with my contour on my forehead. I don't know, like rather than dabbing, I sort of like really like, it is a bit of an arm workout, I'm not gonna lie. And then I go onto my concealer and blend that out.
Kim K who?
Never heard of her. Can I just say something, a little disclaimer? I'm not one of them bitches who changes my makeup for the seasons. I change my makeup when I feel like changing my makeup. If I'm like, oh, that looks ugly, I'm not feeling it anymore, then I'm like, let's try this, you know? Like, I'm not like, oh, it's Christmas, I'm gonna wear red lipstick now. Why would I do that? Red lipstick looks actually butters on me, you know?
So even though this is a Christmas Get Ready With Me, don't be expecting me to come out the other end looking like fucking Santa Claus, okay?
I'm gonna still look like me. And to be honest, it's probably gonna be extremely similar to my everyday makeup tutorial that I filmed like, what, a week ago?
We love original content.
Right, I'm gonna set that with my Laura Mercier. I kinda wanna listen to music. You YouTube copyright. Yeah guys, I'm proper feeling like listening to Mistletoe by Justin Bieber right now. It's that time of year where we whip out old school beeps. Yeah, then I set the rest of my face with my mineralized skin finish in the shade Medium Golden from MAC. You all know this is such a good powder. I use loads of it because, you know, why not? I'm just putting the Laura Mercier translucent powder like under where the contour was, because if we applied the darker powder there, then it just won't help that situation that we have going on. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M224 brush. Okay, down for that. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of concealer onto my eyelids. This is the MAC Pro Longwear. I actually read somewhere or heard somewhere, I don't know.
I don't read, let's be honest. I probably saw it on YouTube.
That this concealer was actually formulated to be used as an eye primer as well as a concealer because it's like oil free. I don't know. Remember the days of MAC Pro Longwear and like just everyone used everything matte? Oh, those days were simpler. I'm gonna go ahead and set that lightly just with whatever powder is left over on my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in with, what brush is this? A Zoeva 228. And I'm gonna go in with Daisy and Hangry and mix them together, and I'm gonna buff them through my crease. Oh, I didn't even show you what palette I'm using. This is the Nicole Concealio Violet Boss palette. I think I used it in my last tutorial as well, but it's so good, so I'm using it again. And I'm gonna like bring this out. What do people do in Get Ready With Me's? Oh my god, this is the most like stressful thing in the world. I'm like, what the f do I talk about? Like what? I feel like I should have asked for questions or something. Send me in your questions.
Send me in your assumptions, be basic as hell.
Right, I'm gonna swap my brush. I'm gonna go in with this smaller brush. This is a Weaver Luxe Define Crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with just the shade Hangry. Okay, I'm gonna go with my MAC 217 and I'm gonna go in with the shade Hey Girl. Oh, by the way, Hey Girl is this one right here. I'm gonna apply it on my outer corner.
Oh my god, I've been filming for 20 minutes. What is this? No, keep going. Don't get distracted.
I don't know what to talk about, and I just feel like I need to talk about something, but I've got nothing cool to talk about. I'm gonna go in with the shade Chocolate and mix it with Hey Girl and just apply it into my outer corner. Doing the lightest motions, like I'm hardly touching my skin. I feel like when I say super lightly, people don't realize how lightly I actually mean. What am I even trying to do right now? Like, actually, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, right, I'm gonna go in with the shade Hangry and a little bit of Blow. And I'm just gonna apply it on this same Zoeva brush, like this. What do people do in these videos? I'm gonna Google Christmas get ready with me. Christmas get ready with me. Oh my gosh.
How do people make these 20 minutes long? Bloody hell, this is gonna be about 5.
I'm gonna go in with the shades LA and Victoria at the bottom here. They're so pretty. And I'm gonna mix them together on my finger. And just apply those onto my eyelid. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna apply some eyeliner. This is the MAC Smolder eye pencil. And I'm just gonna apply that lightly onto the outer corner of my eye, sort of like elongate it, and then on my tight line as well. I'm gonna go ahead and go off of camera and do my lashes and stick on some individual lashes. That made sense. I'm gonna apply mascara and stick on some individual lashes. Then I'll be right back with you guys. So my lashes are on. I just stuck on some like little clusters on the outer corner. I've really been liking doing that recently. So that's what I did.
That's what I did, sis.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply eyeliner like in my tight line now, because I don't think I did it before. And you guys know I go all the way into my inner corner.
Oh no, my mascara transferred.
What a bitch. What a bitch. I need something to scratch it off with. Come on, come on. I know you want to come off. No? Okay. I was about to be like, bad Felicia, but Felicia ain't moving. Okay, guys, I'm going to apply my Marc Jacobs bronzer now. This is in the shade Tantric. And she's gonna bronze up her face. On my Morphe M405, code James. I'm such a James Charles stan, like it's actually kind of embarrassing. Like I live. My skin looks awful today. Those aren't spots. I don't know what they are. This right there, see, it looks like a spot, it's like texture. It's not, I know it's not.
Me being in denial.
Guys, don't you love how I'm like, get ready with me, but we all know, let's be honest, what am I gonna be doing after filming this? Staying at home and editing it. We love a dedicated YouTuber.
Ew, I hated that.
So yeah, I just keep bronzing until I feel like I look a bit like an Oompa Loompa. And then we go further and then it might be okay, you know? I feel like nose contouring, probably gonna regret doing it right after I do it, but why not? It did make it look straighter though on that side, I think. The thing is, the reason I'm doing this is because I know I'm not very good at nose contour. But if I don't practice it, how am I gonna get good at it, you know what I mean? So someday she's gonna just have to deal with having a crooked nose because she tried to contour her nose. Because in the end, I'll have a sister snatch schnoz. Practice makes perfect. That's what Hannah Montana said. Wait, no, that's not what Hannah Montana said. She was like,
Nobody's perfect.
I gotta work it.
I'm going in with Peach Fizz by Anastasia, the Liquid Glow. Can I just say, I found the best highlight combination of all time. Everywhere I go at the moment, I am getting compliments. So I just apply that with my finger, and you want to tap it on because obviously we've set everything with powder, so if you rub it on, then it will start to separate your makeup. And we don't want that, do we? It looks disgusting. You know what it's like if you've ever fucked it up and put loads of like liquid bronzer or highlighter or something like that on top of powder. It goes disgusting. Like,
Disgusting.
Literally disgusting.
for me, I appreciate how this is supposed to be a get ready with me, and I've just turned it right into a makeup tutorial. I swear get ready with me's, you just like,
Okay, maybe this is me from like 2012. I don't really watch them anymore.
I swear they're just like, where they just put like music in the background and then it's like, Mac for a long way. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like you guys really don't know what I mean, but I know what I mean, and that's all that matters because I find myself hilarious. I actually do find myself way too funny. Like, I'll say a joke and no one will be laughing and I'll be there like crying for like 20 minutes. That actually looks super pretty by itself. Like, honestly, I would like leave it like that, but we're not gonna do that today. Right, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Trophy White, and this is a bit dark for me, so we use this super lightly. Prettiest undertone and the most sparkles in it in the world. Do we just go super lightly over the top of that? Do you guys just like... And then I'm going in with the Amrezy highlighter by Anastasia again. And now I know what you're thinking. Calm the fuck down. No, is my answer to you. Oh, hello, Queenie. She got carried away there, didn't she? Now, she is going to set her face. I'm going to go ahead and apply Oak lip liner onto my lips. See, I don't know how I feel about lip liner formula from MAC. Like, they're a lot waxier, so it's a lot harder to fuck up because they're like kind of like less creamy and like don't glide on as easily. Oh, by the way, this is Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in this shade Seduction, I think. By the way, guys, this is such a pretty color. I was at Keisha's house and I was like, do you have any like lipstick? And she was like, yeah. And it was this, and it was so good. So I went out and bought it. Thanks, Keisha, for this. All right, I'm going to apply this, the Pillow Plump by Soap and Glory. This is in the shade, I don't know, hurry up, sexy motherfucker, nope. I don't know. Nude in Town. Just so you guys know, this shit burns your lips. Right, I am going to film the outro quickly. My hair is actually like just disgusting, so like let's just ignore that. All right, guys, so that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If my makeup is looking a bit different now, it's because my camera actually died and I had to wait for it to charge up a little bit. But other than that, that is it for today's video. So I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. Also remember to turn on my little post notification bell as well, and that way you don't miss any of my uploads. That's it for today. So I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.